Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. The topic which we are going to discuss today is the important topic, and this topic is for class 9th, subject General Science. In the previous lecture, we have discussed in detail the animal tissue, and one of the important animal tissue, that is epithelial tissue. Today we are going to discuss the another type of animal tissue, that is the connective tissue. So far as the connective tissue is concerned, the cells of connective tissue are loosely spaced and embedded in an intercellular matrix. Now the term matrix is here. Matrix is actually the jelly-like fluid, dense or rigid. This connective tissue exists in different forms as described below. Here in this connective tissue, the cells are loosely spaced and they are having in between, or they are embedded in a matrix. The matrix, as I had told you, that it is a jelly-like fluid, dense or rigid. So far as the different forms, or in other words we can say the types of the connective tissue in animals are concerned, there are so many forms of the connective tissue or the types of connective tissue. Here I had mentioned these forms or types. Number one is here blood, plasma. And in this plasma or blood, there are different types of cells present in it, like RBCs, WBCs, platelets. In it there is protein, salts and hormones. Blood flows and transports gases, digested food, hormones and waste materials. That means blood acts as a transporting agent which carries the different gases, digested food and hormones from one part to another part of the body or within the human body. And it also helps us in the elimination or excretion of different waste materials produced within the body. After this, there is next type of this connective tissue, that is the bone. Now what is bone? It is actually the strong and non-flexible tissue. It forms framework that supports the body. Bones are made up of calcium and phosphorus, and these bones plays an important role in giving a particular shape to the living body or to the animals. After this, there is ligaments. Now what are ligaments? These are elastic tissue connecting two bones. That means two bones are connected to each other by means of ligaments. This ligament is also known as the connective tissue. After this, there is one more, that is tendons. Now what are tendons? Tendons are actually the fibrous tissue connecting bones to muscles. That means tendons plays an important role in connecting bones to muscles. Bones are connected to muscles because of these tendons. There is one more type of this connective tissue, that is the cartilage. What are cartilages? These are widely spaced cells, smoothness, bones, nose. This cartilage exists in nose, ear, trachea, larynx. After this, there is one more form or the type of the connective tissue, that is areolar tissue. What is areolar tissue? This is the tissue found between the skin and the muscles. That is the tissue present between the muscles and the skin, that is known as the areolar tissue, and this is also found around blood vessels, nerves and in bone marrow. Now the important and the last one is here, that is adipose tissue. This adipose tissue is actually the tissue filled with fat globules. It is found below the skin and between internal organs. These were some of the different types of the connective tissue. In next lecture we will discuss the another animal tissue. Till then, Khuda Hafiz.